are watching supported YouTube channel. If your keyboard shortcut keys are not working in any of Windows version, here are solutions. Number 1. Reset keyboard settings. How to? Let us see. Navigate to Control Panel, then choose Add a language. Usually, you have enabled several languages. To reset keyboard settings, you need to reset your primary language. For example, you have English US as the primary language, and meanwhile, you have enabled French and Chinese. You can reset French or Chinese as the primary language to reset keyboard settings. To do that, move French or Chinese to the top and choose Set as Default. After resetting the keyboard, you can change your primary language back to English US. If you have installed only one language, you need to add a new language and set it as default to reset keyboard settings. Number 2. Turn off sticky keys. How to? Let us see. Sticky keys is a feature on Windows computer that can make keyboard shortcuts more easy to use. With sticky keys enabled, when you need to use Ctrl+Alt+Del shortcut, you don't have to press all the 3 buttons all at once. Instead, you can press Ctrl, then Alt, and then Del to activate the shortcut. If keyboard shortcuts stop working, disabling sticky keys may help to fix the problem. Step 1. Go to the Control Panel. Step 2. Choose Ease of Access greater than change how your keyboard works. Step 3. Keep in mind that you should uncheck Turn on Sticky Keys, turn on Toggle Keys and turn on Filter Keys. Step 4. If it's ready, click Apply. Reboot your PC to save changes. Number 3. Disable Gaming Mode Switch. How to? Let us see. There is a switch to disable all the keyboard shortcuts on a gaming keyboard so as to let you focus on games. Your keyboard shortcuts are not working probably because it is in gaming mode. So you can disable this switch in order to fix the keyboard shortcuts. Number 4. Perform a clean boot. How to? Let us see. Occasionally, the system might not shut down completely because of some third-party software, which causes the keyboard shortcut issue. You can try to perform a clean boot in your PC, and if the keyboard shortcut is working in clean boot, you can try to diagnose what is causing the keyboard shortcut problems. To perform clean boot, go to System Configuration, choose Selective Startup, then uncheck Load Startup Items. Then under Service tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. And disable all the unnecessary services. Under the Startup tab, disable all the startup items. Then restart the computer. Now you are in clean boot. Check if the keyboard shortcut is working now. If it is, enable the Microsoft service and start up items gradually until you find the service and items that are causing the problem. Number 5. Reinstall keyboard drivers. How to? Let us see. Reinstalling keyboard drivers helps to troubleshoot shortcuts not working issue. Press Windows key plus R, then type dev.msc, and in order to open Device Manager, find Keyboards and then right-click on your keyboard device. After that, select Uninstall. Reboot your PC to save the change. After reboot, your PC will reinstall keyboard driver. At least if nothing works, try this step 6. Create a new user account. Let us see how to do. You can try to create a new user account to fix the problem. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings, then click Accounts from Windows Settings. Click Family and Other People tab greater than add someone else to this PC. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information in the bottom and choose to add a user without a Microsoft account. Then choose a username and password for the new account. Sign into this new user account and see whether the keyboard shortcuts are working or not. If it works, transfer your files to this account to switch to this new account. If your keyboard shortcuts are still not working, describe your problem in the comments.